Hey loves, in today's video I will be showing you how I remove my gel nails, and I'll also be reviewing a set of soak off bowls that I purchased on Amazon. These are my New Year's nails after about 2 weeks. They're still holding up very well, no breaking. Fair amount of new growth on my natural nails, but I'm ready for something new and it's time to take these off. As you can see, all of my stones are still intact. They are cemented in very well. They're kind of a hassle to get off, but I'll show you how I do it. The first thing I do is use my Sassy Chic cuticle clippers. These are $1 at Dollar Tree to cut down the length of my nails. I am taking a 100 grit nail file and I'm going to file off the top layer of my nails so that the nail polish remover can break down the top coat and gel easier. My nails are ready to be soaked. I left the nail on my middle finger the way it is because I could not get those stones off. So what I'm going to do is soak my nails first for 5 minutes to help loosen that glue up. Then I'm going to go in with my cuticle clippers to try and remove the stones. I purchased the DNHCLL Manicure Soaking Tray Set from Amazon for $5.98 with free shipping with Amazon Prime. I purchased the Modesa Non-Acetone Nail Polish Remover from Family Dollar for $3. After soaking for 5 minutes, I am using the 100 grit side of my file to remove more gel. I'm going in with my cuticle clippers and removing the stones. Soaking for 5 minutes softened the glue up a little bit. I still had some trouble, especially with the bigger one, but I was able to get all of them off. I will continue to soak and file 4 more times for a total of 25 minutes. I am trimming my natural nail as well as removing what's left of the tips that I used with a pair of nail clippers. I am using my MZCMSL medium grit ball and needle head drill bits with my Modesa e-file to clean up my cuticles. I am using the ball bit to clean up around the cuticle area of my nail. I am using the needle head bit to clean the sides of my nails as well as my cuticles. Now that my nails are completely removed, it's time for me to wash my hands really good. With my hands all clean, it's time to moisturize. I will be using the Bodycology Coconut Hibiscus Shea Butter Hand Cream, which is sold at Walmart. Then I'm going to further moisturize my cuticles with the Namskara Organic Castor Oil, which is sold on Amazon. I am all done removing my nails, and oh how I missed them already. I am waiting on a package. I needed more gel, so you will be getting a nail tutorial either Friday or Saturday. I am really excited. Check the description for all of the products that I used and let me know in a comment down below what you thought. And until next time, bye loves!